I have a stitch fix to share with you. I am so glad that you have joined me today for an unboxing of Stitch Fix. My name is Kelly Schaffner and welcome to my channel. If you are joining me for the first time, please be certain to hit the subscribe button. If you tap that bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video, and I would sure like to have you join me once again. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I'm doing my very best to remember to tell you about everything I kept from the last unboxing I did of every subscription I do. And my last Stitch Fix was a home run. It was wonderful. I kept every single thing. A little bit concerned about a new style of pants, but I'm going to wear that. I'll make a video in those pants one day for all of you. But thank you for all of your comments. I'll link that video below. Please watch it if you haven't seen it. So I immediately went to checkout and kept everything, and a week later, 10 days later, I received my next Stitch Fix. It came so very quickly, and I'm real excited about that. We're going to break into it. It charges a $20 styling fee, and that fee is deducted from anything you decide to purchase in your fix. So let's open up this box. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, you go online and fill out a style profile, and then you are matched with a stylist who curates a box with 5 items in it. They send it to you. You have 3 days to try everything on, decide what you want to keep. I've opened my box, check it out. And shipping is always free both ways with Stitch Fix. They enclose this mailer so you can return anything that you don't want to keep. We have a envelope with everything in it. We have our oh hello, and there will be a note here from my stylist. I don't like to see, I never peek to see what they're sending me. I don't even like to read the style card until after I've looked at the pieces. So I'll share that with you in a while. And ooh, look what we have here. This is a pair of shoes, which I was not expecting, but I'm very excited about. And we'll open that in a moment. Let's look at this burrito. And that looks a little bit dark when I'm seeing it on camera. I see some grays in there. And ooh, let's just look at the, okay, we'll start with the colors. The first thing we have is by Wisp. Oh, this is a maxi dress. In the last video, I got a dress by Wisp that I love. It was a short dress, but it had, these are fun colors. And I like that there's many different patterns. We've got blues and oranges in this. And what does our neckline look like? It's got a little bit of a gather. There's a keyhole back there. I am so excited to try this on for you. And next we have another item by Wisp. They know I like Wisp. Oh my gosh, is this beautiful? This is a dress with 3/4 length sleeves. It's got a scoop neck collar there. It's a short dress, but aren't those colors beautiful? I'm excited to try this. I'm loving my dresses this summer. Do we have another dress? This is by Verse. This is made in the USA. Is this a dress? Yes. I'm not really into rompers. I'm not looking for rompers, but so this is a navy blue dress with orange flowers on it. It looks like a tank dress, so Elijah's very excited about this box, so please pardon Elijah. And then last we have this is a cardigan. This is by Nine Britain. This is a heather gray, kind of like a cardigan. I received something like this from Trendsend that was just way too out of my comfort zone. But this might be a nice option for a cover-up for the summer. Let's see what type of shoes we got. Oh, wow. I just ordered some flesh-colored flat sandals from Old Navy. Not exactly like this. Do you like these, Elijah? Elijah seems to like these. But these are so pretty. They're a lace-up shoe, and I'm going to try them on with all of the outfits. I love these. That they will go with everything. I just don't know if they They look so similar to what I'm expecting in the mail any day. Dress number 1 is the Wisp Maxi dress. Let me step back so you can see it's a great length. I am wearing the sandals. These are like a short gladiator sandal, and I'm wearing them with the dress. I really like this dress. It's a good length. It feels great. I am wearing a regular bra with it, so I like that I have that capacity. It's got that keyhole back. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a button, and the button is on the inside, so I kind of appreciate that attention to detail, that the button is hidden, and this dress feels really nice. You know, I never mentioned my sizes. I am 5'7". I weigh 145 pounds. I normally receive size small in small to medium tops, and I'm not sure, I didn't look at the size of this dress, but normally about a size 6 in a dress. So I am guessing, because this is such a good fit, that this is a size small. Medium usually gives me a little more room. So what do you think about this dress? Dress number 2 by Wisp. So I'm enjoying this dress. I think I really like the colors. Let me get up close and see if you can get a good look at those colors and this pattern. It's just a lot of fun. I love this royal blue. Did you notice this box is very blue? They seem to send me a lot of blue items. Let me stand back so you can get a good look at the length of this dress. You might be able to see the sandals a little bit better with the shorter dress. I like this dress. I don't know if I'm crazy about this dress, but we'll have to see what the price is. This is the Verse dress. What do you think about this? I mean, what's not to like about this dress? This is fun and springtime, and I am really enjoying the color orange. Let me get up close so you can see that. So check out this dress. I like the flow of this dress. It's just a simple knit dress. I like the length. It could be a little bit longer, but when I do that, this shape I don't like, so I think it needs to go up higher. It would probably ride up higher anyway if I pulled it down. Maybe not, who knows? But let me stand back. I don't have any orange sandals, and I think this dress would be adorable with orange sandals, so I will be on the lookout for some orange sandals or flats. I'm so excited about the dresses. I almost forgot about this cardigan, this 9 Britain cardigan in heather gray, and this is perhaps the softest cardigan I have ever put on this body. I like this drape front. This is very lightweight, and I think would be a very nice summer piece for layering. I'm often chilled in the summer air conditioning, so this would be something nice other than my denim jacket to carry with me for those occasions. So what do you think about it? I'm watching it the way it folds with the, so you can check it out. When it moves, you can see the inside, and the inside is not really finished. It's more the fleece look, but I don't know, I'm not really minding it. I really like this because it feels so soft. Okay, y'all, recap. A Stitch Fix is selling drawers now, so if you need some underwear, take a look at that. And I'm not going to read the stylist note. I have the same stylist, and I think she did a good job. But she just tells me how to pair everything together. Stitch Fix sends these style cards that show you how to style everything. But one of them that I found interesting was this one. In that Wisp dress, she says to style it with a denim jacket or without a denim jacket. So I think that's kind of cute. Prices. These shoes, that's the first price tag. These shoes are so comfortable. They are the Dolce Vita Jasmine Lace-Up Gladiator Sandal in tan. They're $90, which seems pricey to me for a summer sandal. The ones I ordered from Old Navy were like $12, maybe $20, I can't remember. But very similar, not a gladiator style, but a very similar sandal. So I have to see what my husband thinks about these ones. The Wisp Pamela Knit Maxi dress in navy is $88. I like that maxi dress, but that seems a little expensive to me. the Verse Darcy knit dress in navy. That's the one I'm wearing right here. This one is only $48, so I think it will be mine. The Nine Britain Airona cardigan in light gray is $44, so I think this outfit will be staying with me. This is such a versatile piece that I know I will use all summer and into the fall. I will get a lot of use out of this. I normally don't purchase these staple items from my subscription boxes, but I think this one is worth keeping. And the last item is the Wisp Annecy jersey dress in cobalt. That was the 3/4 length one, and that is $68. So the grand total is $338. The buy all discount is $84.50, bringing the total of this box to $253.50. So I was spoiled by my last box. It was so inexpensive, and although I like everything in this box, I don't know if I can afford to keep it all. I don't know if I like it enough to keep it all. So I would love to hear your comments. I look forward to your comments and your feedback on the items I received in my Stitch Fix. Thank you so much for sharing this unboxing and try on with me. I really appreciate it, and I love doing these unboxings for you. If you have not subscribed at this point, please hit subscribe and tap that bell. If you give this video a thumbs up, it lets YouTube know that you are watching my videos, and I really appreciate that. I will leave a link for Stitch Fix in the description box below, and if you go through my link, you can get your first Stitch Fix for free. There is no styling fee, and you can try Stitch Fix for free. You still have to pay for the clothes, but no styling fees, so it's kind of a risk-free way to try this style. I do have another video coming out for you in 2 days. Please keep your eyes peeled for that one, and thank you once again. God bless you all.